Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make these instant Wai Wai, I believe is the name of the brand, Wai Wai brand. It's pretty easy. It's instant, so it's kind of like top ramen. You can't open like this, but I actually use scissors because it's once you open it the other way, it kind of breaks apart too easy. Okay, so some of this. Some people like to do it in a pot. I actually like to use an electric water heater, and then because the noodles are actually already cooked, you're literally just I don't know, getting it soft and hot. All right, so yes, there's the garlic oil package, and then there's the seasoning, and then the peppers, dry peppers. And I put all of it into the bowl like this, not into the pot, because you'll lose some of it. While the water is getting heated, I'll move some of this stuff over. I'm gonna cut up my steak that I air fried. Ideally, you want to cut this as thin as possible, but not too fancy here. So I did with this steak is I just season it with garlic powder, a little bit of hoisin, and that's it. And I air fried it for about 8 minutes. You can hear the water heater going off, electric water kettle. That's enough. Don't want to overdo it. Set that aside. As you see, I have some empty bowls. I did not have any cilantro or bean sprouts. I thought I had it, but I didn't. But I'm gonna make it anyways because I'm hungry. Got some limes ready. I normally use the lime squeezer. Don't really need this device for this, so this one goes off to the side. Just waiting on the water heater or electric kettle. You could use, a pot and boil your own water, I suppose. This is a little bit more convenient for me. And it's done. Just pour right onto it. I mean, obviously, how much broth you want is completely up to you. I just like to have just enough so it submerges it just a little bit. And I close it for about 3 or 4 minutes. I personally do not like really mushy noodles, so this way is the best for me, and also I don't leave it on for very long. We'll just wait here for a couple minutes. Okay, I'm back. See? Looks pretty good to me. I add my steak right on top. There we go. I eat really spicy, so these are actually dry Thai chilies that has been sauteed with a little bit of oil. gives it a little bit more of a punch than just regular crushed peppers. There. Add my lime. It's cut too big. I'll cut it again. Oops. Oh. There you go. Fish sauce. Love this product. A little goes a long ways. Just a couple dashes. Oyster sauce, I buy it in a really large can and I transport it into here. Just a little bit. I will actually be enjoying this dish with fresh Thai chilies and also with shrimp paste, which I will show you in a different video. We actually make this. This over here is fried chili with garlic and onions that's been roasted. It's delicious. And I will just take a little bit. There you have it. Great quick meal.